back! Dito ako ngayon sa Stephen's Farm. At ipapakita ko sa inyo guys itong little gift shop. Very cute. Ang dami nilang mga magagandang gift items. At dito nga guys, dito they sell my soap. I'm excited! Ayan ang Stephen's Farm. Mayroon silang mini park here. Ayan, mga bata pwedeng maglaro. Ayan, ang cute. Mayroon sila, oh, mini tractor, old tractor. Okay, let's get in. Dito naman, ito nila nilalagay yung kanilang mga fruits. So let's get inside. Where? Okay, pasok tayo sa loob. Ayun, gift shop. Dito ako bumibili ng mga jam. Okay, yung kanilang gift shop. Tapos fruits. Ayan, lemon, pears, mga organic. Ayan, so cute. And we'll see kung mayroon pa akong sabon dito. They sell my soap, pero wala na akong sabon. Isa na lang. Wow, good. Okay. So, mayroon mga gift shop. And, mayroon din silang mga bread. Ayan. So nice. Ayan, ang ganda. Hi! I'm the one who brings soap here.
Okay, yeah.
And, just curious, I noticed you have only one left.
Yes.
Okay. And this is for everybody.
Oh, thank
You can
you.
try my soap.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So, ito guys, yung mga sabon ko. And then I have my list here if you want. Okay. So, actually, she doesn't pay me right away, you know. It's
Yeah,
just...
yeah.
So, you want to get all this? 18? Yan ang kanilang store, gift shop. I like it. We like your gift store. These are your copy. Get your copy. Okay. Okay. Maybe you can just accept for me. Do you have greeting cards
Greeting cards? We do, yes.
or get well card?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna tell Barry to get one. Okay.
Thank you.
Good. Good. And this is for every. How many people are here working?
Right now there's only like 5 of us.
Okay. Oh, good. Because
Yeah.
that's 5. Okay, this is beautiful. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And then I'll look for the card. The guy seems excited. Ganda. Oh, see? Ang ganda nitong store na to. Grabe. Gusto yung pangarap ko magkaroon ng ganitong store. Ayan. Oh, this is beautiful. Ayan. So, hopefully, someday, makakagawa ako ng ganitong business. Like, jam. Jam ang aking inaaral ngayon. Maging perfect ang aking jam. So, see, coffee rub. Oh, Wrangler coffee rub. So, ito guys, ang ganda ng kanilang store. So, oh, this is cute. So, Biso. So, ang daming magagandang gift items. And, get well card. Now, oh, pillow. Love you, Dad. Like a boss. Very nice. Now, here's the card. We're looking for a card. Get well card. Ito naman mga candles. Yeah, so nice. I don't see a card. Huh. Where's the card? Where's the card? Mga earrings. Whoa! Beautiful. Ah, there's the card. We'll look for the card. So, mayroon silang mga card, get your card. Ayan. Birthday. I didn't see a get your card. Ayan, pinapatakanan lang aking sabon. I'm excited. Aking mga sabon, binibinta nila dito, guys. See? I'm so happy. Kasi itong store na to, tinanggap nila ang aking sabon. Kaya, ito yung isang store na pinupuntahan ko. And look, they have so beautiful mga items, gift items. And then, mayroon din sila, ito mga local products here. Like this one, Farmer's Wife. So, they make lotion, soap, hand soap. It's, yan, ang kanilang mga products. Someday, I hope I help like that. Beautiful. And then, meron din silang mga, lahat ito mga local products, mga gawa dito. It's beautiful. And even this one, pati kahoy, binebenta dito. Look at this. See? Herb Hound. Natural herbal flavor. Ang daming magaganda. Oh, damit ng bata. Lahat ito handmade. So, it's all handmade. Very nice. Lahat ito handmade. See? It's beautiful. And dito yung mga bread, cookies, they make it. Sila na ang gumagawa dito. See? It's beautiful. Now, there's the soap. So, may dalawang sabon. Ito ang aking kakumpetensya. And ito yung aking 3 for 15. Very nice. Okay, that's the Cebu Swallow. So nice. Okay guys, that's the Stevens Farm. Yan, dito sila nagbibenta ng aking sabon. Okay, that's it for today. So that's the Stevens Farm. Yan, yung kanilang signature. Kanilang truck. Local truck. Ayan, old truck. Ayan. Sa across the street, ayan ang farm. Okay guys, see you more for magagandang view here in Yuba City and